time to start working on engine. First thing, we're gonna change the shitty oil with new shitty oil. Turbo, DI, champ oil, everything matches. That's turbo, it has DI, direct ignition. Perfect match. And of course, cheap oil filter. So basically we will try to run on this oil, drive it for some time, and of course change to normal oil. And yeah, let's jack up this beast. At first it wasn't dripping at all like you saw, and now I'm just using some kind of straw, sexy wiggling it forward and backwards, and something is happening. I'm feeling that the oil is really thick, very thick, and it's, I don't know, on the bottom of the sump. Very, very thick oil, so I will try to keep doing something like this to pull out as much oil as we can, and then of course the oil filter rusty as hell, lubed with some WD-40 thing to loosen up, and try to unbolt this, see what's here, and then probably won't let out all the oil, just put some new and see what happens. So oil is draining somehow, about 3 liters more left. I don't know, I will leave it for a night maybe, drain. So yeah, now let's remove direct ignition cassette and remove the spark plugs. And at the same time we will check and see what the condition of spark plugs are. first two was like easy to unbolt, and the first and second a little bit harder. So first spark plug is burnt with a lot of carbon on him, but it should work. Of course we will change them, however, and it's not the recommended NKG spark plug with some champions, like our oil, champ oil. Okay, let's continue removing them. Second, same like first one, a lot of carbon. Third one, also the same. And the fourth, I don't know, all four is looking kind of the same. You can check here. The oil in here is no big deal because it's just from gasket over here, the camshaft gasket. The holes of the spark plugs are all dry and everything's okay, so that means no oil is coming out from spark plugs holes. I want to bring my flashlight to check the holes. Maybe we will see something. First piston looks okay, no damage on it. Of course we would need a camera, small camera to look in that, but it's looking nice. The third one, okay. And fourth, with some marks in the middle, maybe just markings of cylinders. Interesting. So, okay. Let's prime a little bit of lubricant in them. Now that's primed. Okay. A little bit of careful cleaning. Not many contaminants passed by to the cylinder holes. It looks kind of clean. Now we have correct ones. There's BCPR7AS spark plugs. Ooh, fancy. And we can check the gap. It's a little bit bigger of the old one. Not a little bit, quite a lot. So it should be a really big improvement. tighten it by hand. And now by feel, or get lucky. I don't know, should be not much. The first one a bit more. At the beginning we do less, and then we check if the oil spits out or something. It means we need torque wrench. I'm reinstalling the recognition console over the new spark plugs. Okay. Reconnect the connector. Torque bolts. Your camera is real trash. The focus is so bad. Damn, you see what time of the day is? It's almost midnight. My camera will do the job. Yeah. You mean change the spark plugs? So yeah, for today I think it's all. It's too dark. We'll continue to drain the oil, or trying to get it out. And tomorrow we should try to start it. Crank. Maybe just crank. I don't know if it starts. Yep.